Good evening, everyone. My name is Priyanka Kumari. I am here to submit my first project on blogging site, in which we need, in which we write the some particular API which will do some certain tasks. In previous video, I see the page one's tags. If you want to see the previous video, then check the descriptions. I mentions all the link of previous video. In this video, I see phase 2 and some in phase 2 I see the some particular task. First task is post logins. Allow an author to login with their email ID and password on successful login attempts returns a JWT tokens containing the author ID in response like this. Yes. I go to author controller. Here I write here constant login authors in data variables. I store the data from request.body. If data is not found, then show invalid email ID and password. If data is present, then let's author's email ID is data.authors and password data.password. After that, I find the documents in author's models by email ID and password. If document is not found, then error message so emails and password is not correct. If find successfully, then create a JWT tokens. Here I create JWT tokens. After creating successful JWT tokens, I set response.set headers x API key tokens. In headers, I set tokens and in response status 200 status 2 and data tokens. If any error show, then must show in cache. Here I write the router's parts. Routers that post login author controllers dot login authors. I go to Postman's tools. First I yes, Here I copy emails and passwords for creating the tokens. Use this emails and password for creating the tokens. Token is created successfully and in header C X API key and here tokens. I move to next part. Authentications. Add authentications in implementations for the JWT tokens and validates the tokens before every protected endpoint is called. If validation fails, then return a suitable error message with a corresponding HTTP status code. Okay. First, I create the authentications. Automatically where I create write the handler part here. In tokens, data stores from request.headers X API key. If token is not received, then access denied tokens missing. Since token is present, then decode the tokens and after decoding the tokens, request access tokens is equal to decode. This lines of code is used in others handler parts. So access tokens request to store decode tokens to use this handler part. If any error message so if any problems of creating verifying tokens, then showing cache at a status code 400 once. I add auth middleware when post is created. In every handler before functional handlers, I add middleware auth middleware means post blocks, gets blocks, puts blocks, and get blocks. Delete blocks. First, I say get blocks. In get blocks 3 only authentication is necessary, authorization is no needs. Okay, I hit the API to see the successfuls or other test case. Successful response are so here. If I some changes in tokens, then what the error message show to see invalid tokens. Error message is also show when token is not sent. What the error message is show access denied token misses. All test cases are pass here. In next video, I see the others API to hit the problems. I see the other handle parts, create blocks and update block and delete block. The next part of this video is upload mentions the links in descriptions. Please see the links for next part of video.